Hello everyone! In this Canva tutorial, we will learn how to hide slides or pages within Canva. This feature can be useful when you want to exclude certain slides from your presentation without deleting them completely. To start, open your Canva presentation that contains the slides you want to hide. Then, navigate to the Show Pages section in Canva where you can see all your slides listed. Locate the slide you want to hide. Click on the three dots in the corner of the slide. Select Hide Page from the options that appear. Once you hide the page, you will notice that it is still present in the design view, but it will be excluded from the presentation view. You can also view the hidden pages in Grid View and unhide them if needed. That's how you can hide slides and pages in Canva. Thank you for watching.